So, welcome. So, in this series, for those that have been watching me for a while, I really appreciate. So, in this series, I'll talk about how you can source for job online, whether it is a virtual job, work from home job, or it is a on-site job or a contract job, anyone. So, but I'll be talking about what you need and how to create the CV. This CV I'm talking about, you are just going to copy the description of the job, then you are going to be using a tool that will create exactly what they need in your job, exactly what they need in your CV. That's what the tool will help you to do. Then not only that, I will also give you a tool that will help you write the cover letter to apply for that job. Not only the cover letter, and also the follow-up email. So I'm helping you out with about 4 things now. I'll help you source for the job. I will teach you how to source for the job. I will teach you how to write a CV that relates with the content of that job description, and also how to create how to create a cover letter that relates with this job, and also I will help you create a follow-up email for this job. You get? So just follow through me. Then if you want to join our WhatsApp group where we post job offers, just watch the end, almost to the end of this video. I will drop the link, or I should always drop a link almost at the end of the video for you to join us on our WhatsApp group. So let me show you the WhatsApp group I'm talking about, so you can join us as well. So this is one of the group, and we also have another one over here. This is one of the group. Then we also have another one over here. You can see these are job where we post jobs daily. Every day we post jobs. So if you want to join, just watch almost to the end of this video. I will post it for you so you can join the group. Then you can search for job yourself, or if there is any job that you see that you like, you can apply for it yourself. But today I'll be teaching you how you can create your CV, how you can write your cover letter, then how you can write a follow-up email. So the first thing I will teach you is how you can source for job yourself online. How you can source for, you don't need to wait for someone to refer you. So you can source for job yourself. Let me assume that you are sourcing for job. Then I will also give you a link at the end of this video. So there are many things I will drop almost at the end of the video. Then if I don't drop it, just either go to the comment section, or you go to the description section of the video to search for any link that I'll be dropping. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is to go to Google and search for job on Google. The reason why we are going to Google is because Google has all the job that you need, either from Upwork, from Fiverr, the freelancing site, then either from LinkedIn as well. Google will bring everything. Since everything is on the search engine, Google is going to bring everything for you. So let me show you my emails. Every day I get job offers on my email. So let me show you how my email is being filled almost every day with job offers. So you can see there are many jobs available out there, but just that people don't know about it. So what you need is the skill and your CV. So that's what I'll be taking you through today. So just make sure you listen. Then if you like my content, just go to the just subscribe, and also just like this video. Please like this video so that YouTube can recommend it to many other people that want this offer as well. So then who am I? My name is Olaleye Ifoluwa. I make YouTube videos. I help people out with businesses and stuff like that. Then if you want to check out my business, I will drop the link to my website so you can check what I do and all that. So I'm a digital marketer. So all that's about me. You can check for yourself. Alright, so these are the job offer I get almost every day. There are many of them. So let's go to the recent one I just got from Google. I'm not using LinkedIn. I don't want to use LinkedIn. Let me use the one from Google. If it's LinkedIn as well, you can apply using LinkedIn too. So you can see this is job offer I got. I will drop the link so that you can search it for yourself. Do you get? Then you can turn it on for Google to be sending you this job automatically to your mail every day. So Google will be sending it to you if you want it. If you don't want to start searching, you want Google to be sending it to you. It's also available. So what you need to do is just when you come here, turn this on for what? New job alert. You turn it on, so it will be sending it to your mail every day. It will be sending it to your mail. Then if this is not the job, this is not the type of job that you need. Let me assume that you are looking for a teaching job. Let me assume that you are looking for a teaching job, and you want Google to send you jobs that are in your environment. And the interesting thing about this is that it will send you jobs that are almost close to your location. Since Google has your location on, then to give you jobs that are almost in your location. Then if that location if it's not giving you the one around your location, just come down to this area here. Then this is title of the job you need, your location, date posted, and the types of job. So this is where you work on the environment and all. These are where you can do the settings. So this is how to search for job on Google. So you can apply for them, click on it, then click on apply, then you apply, you read the description. So now let me go to how you can design your CV. So that's the next step, how you design your CV. So I just found, so I have this job offer over here, or job description. So the next thing I'm going to do is for me to copy this job description, then come to this